A potential case of the coronavirus on the campus of Texas A&M at Texarkana has folks on edge. University officials say they were informed yesterday, and that's when they sent an email out to their students and staff to take precautionary measures. Our Sydney Simone joins us live from campus this evening with the latest. Sydney.
That's right, Heather. Today we've seen students and faculty on the campus of Texas A&M Texarkana walking around with masks and gloves on. This is a warning that they are taking very seriously. A message that was emailed to the Texas A&M Texarkana students and staff Monday night warned them of a potential case of the coronavirus on campus. That message was posted on Facebook and has since gone viral around town.
There were some people who were aware that we might have had a student who had been exposed, and we didn't want rumors to start or get people overly concerned. We wanted people to know the facts.
President Emily Contreras says the student was attending an out-of-state event where possible cases of the coronavirus were present. To protect the privacy of the student, the university hasn't released any information on the state this person visited.
Our student went to have a test at the hospital, and we are awaiting the results.
Campus safety officials are encouraging people to take precautionary measures like washing their hands and covering their mouths if they cough. Due to the spread of the coronavirus, household essentials like bleach, disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer, and gloves are flying off the shelves. In fact, some of these items are even selling out at local stores. For the past week, some Texarkana stores have been limiting the number of items customers can buy, and they're encouraging them to order online.
We are limiting certain products such as the hand sanitizer, the sanitizing wipes, and that's just so we can service as many guests as we possibly can.
Back on campus, one Texas A&M student hopes her classmates don't bring back any cold or virus symptoms while traveling on spring break.
It's really scary because it's a university and spring break is coming up and people are going to be going all kinds of places for spring break.
The university's president says her goals are to keep everyone informed and safe. The president of the university says once she receives the students' results, she'll be sure to share it with the community. As to when they'll get that information is unknown at this time. We do want to emphasize that classes here are still on schedule and proceeding as normal. At the campus of Texas A&M Texarkana, Sydney Simone, NBC6 News. Back to you, Heather.
Sydney, thanks. In the Dallas area, health officials